Global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Global Happenings Today YouTube channel. There's an audio interview that's been going viral for a while now, simply because of Rhodes Vivo, ever since the court has literally pronounced SanwoOlu as the official and legitimate governor of Lagos State. Apparently, what is going on in Nigeria is disheartening, to say the least. The fact that Nigerians will go to the ballot, vote for who they feel should rule them, and eventually the one who has the final say and the only say seems to be the judiciary. Sometimes it goes so bad that they will unseat the people's choice and put whom they think is right. So personally, I'm just beginning to wonder, is there any need to go to the ballot? We can save ourselves the money as a nation. We can save ourselves the time, the stress, the mental, emotional stress of wondering, oh, will our vote count? Instead of giving those amount of monies to senior advocates of Nigeria in the name of one sitting, two sitting, let's forget about the issue of voting and electoral. Let's just politicians should buy their forms, whatever party or platform they want to buy from, and just head straight to court and ask the judges and the sons, okay, between these, how many people that bought the forms to run for any election, whether senatorial, whether governorship, and which one of them will win, so that the judges will choose who will lead. It doesn't make sense what is happening in Kano, what took place in Imo. They did what we call test running in 2019 between Emeka Ihedio and Hope Uzodinma. It worked. There was no uproar anywhere. And then if it worked, then why can't we keep the status quo? It's getting worse by the day. But let's listen to what Vivo GRV said that must have inked some Yorubas who feel that he isn't speaking for them. He is literally making Lagos, quote and unquote, based on his statements, in no man's land. He said quite a lot, and they seem to have been good radiance to bad rubbish. Listen to what he said that got some Southwesterners, particularly some Lagosians, not too excited over his comments. Let's listen to him come back for more very quickly.
You, I mean, so many people have been talking about this. Like, time for Lagos to be run by indigenes of Lagos. But what I'm saying is that even in that, the indigenes of Lagos understand Lagos as a culture, as a state that is about openness, about come, everybody come. You'll be an enabling environment will be created, and you'll be part of this center of excellence. So to now, and even since the action group days, since our warlord days, there's always been that antagonism between the people of Lagos and the Southwest. Lagos was always standing by itself. In fact, there's a Yoruba adage to that, right? Lagos has always been standing by itself, right? So I feel that we have so
Sorry,
much
what's
bigger
the
problems.
Yoruba adage to that?
It will come to me. It will come to me. Um, so Lagos has always been standing by itself. And I feel that you lost my train of thought. I had a train of thought. Okay, so Lagos has always been standing by itself, and that's what it is for me. I believe Lagos is cosmopolitan. Lagos is literally the blueprint of what a real Nigeria could become. It's a mini state. It's a mini country. I'm sorry. It's a mini Nigeria, right? And yes, we should always give respect to indigenes of the land.
All right, welcome back. You've heard what Rhodes Vivo said. That's the person of GRV. If you ask me personally, I don't think he said anything off the hook. I don't think he said anything that should cost him his position. I feel personally that what he said is not even what cost him his position, simply because APC have decided that whenever this is a major state, they want to keep a hold of it. Lagos has always been APC for a very long time. Okay, right from the days of Bola Ahmed Tinubu being the governor of Lagos State, his hold has been strong, and it's only his prodigies really that find their way in. So, Rhodes came, shook someone a little by the movement, obedient movement, but now it has been concretized as APC. No shakings anywhere after all. Bola Ahmed Tinubu is now the present president of Nigeria. So, how was it possible? In fact, when it was confirmed that Bola Ahmed Tinubu has won his presidency through the Supreme Court via the tribunal, I just knew that there is no way but the Vivo will go anywhere. It's not possible. Okay, if it was a different matter, Peter Obi would have been a different matter. No matter the evidence brought before the court, it will always be on technicality, and we are seeing it play out. And my fear really is the fact that if we continue in this pattern and in this manner, it's just a matter of time. Nigerians will no longer be coming out for voting. It doesn't count. It doesn't make sense. For everything you say, they will allow you, give you false hope, and the next thing, based on technicality, they lose it. So look at what is happening in Kano State. Bit by bit, APC is getting the major state. Already in Lagos State, it is APC, and that's a major city. River State, of course, by virtue of Yesomike being the FCT minister, and also also in the cabinet of APC, even though he is a PDP member. Some persons call him PDAPC, whatever political party that is. So technically speaking, you could say that Rivers is also in the pocket, in the bidding and pocket of APC. Then if they can get back Kano State, literally, Matawale and the rest are also in the camp of Zamfara, is in the camp of APC as well. So it's as if the major cities are in the camp of APC. So 2027 looks like a walkover already. So even though they are just starting 2023, they're already strategizing ahead of 2027 to ensure that that is also a walkover. If you like, merge the whole world. The only people or the only persons who could give them the run for their money, who could actually unseat APCs if Nigerians make up their mind in Nigeria that their vote will count and the judiciary dare not tamper with their vote. You will see. It will count and nothing will happen. But then again, what do we know? It's up to Nigerians really to decide who eventually will take the day. But as the case is right now, people believe that Vivo and maybe this statement he made about cosmopolitan and why they should make Lagos free for all, where everybody can come in, must have been what cost him his mandate. I don't think so. Lagos has always been the place where they accommodate visitors, accommodate foreigners, because if you can come do business and succeed without causing any form of discomfort to your host community, why not? If not, Lagos is that accommodating. That's why some persons literally mistake it as a no man's land. Lagos is not a no man's land, just that it's very accommodating and it's a cosmopolitan city which needs to be tribalized so that more persons from different parts of the world would always find a way to come and do business, even bring their enterprise, headquarters of parastatals and agencies, finding their expression in such a big city. But then again, that's where we'll go wrap it up. Let's meet in our comment section. What's your take on the standpoint of Vivo on this matter? Do have a nice time. God bless you.